Okay, number 7. This one is, well, there's actually a shortcut to it, but I'll take you through how we actually get there. Ultimately, what you would recognize is that E and ln, they're inverses of each other, and we have e to an exponent that has an ln in it. So there's going to be some canceling there. And again, there is a shortcut to this, but I wanted to show you the math behind it. So I'll go ahead and clean things up a bit. I'll go ahead and use my power rule to say just the part down here below. 6 times ln of x is equivalent to ln of x to the 6th power, and that's just using, for instance, ln x to the a power. That's equivalent to a times ln of x. So we know there's this power rule called the power rule, and it makes this exponent interchangeable. I can put it out front, or I can leave it as an exponent to that x value in the log expression. But anyway, I'm just going to say that e to the ln of x to the 6th power is just some a. And if I ln both sides, if I apply the ln, we can actually ln both sides here. Sorry, I can't write right now. ln x to the 6th power I'm going to go to the right here for some room. Now, I'm going to use power rule again and say ln e, and then we have this ln, this power part right here, right? We have this power part. I'm gonna drop it down here. I'm gonna use my power rule, and I'm gonna say ln x to the 6th power, put parentheses around it, times ln of e. ln of e equals ln of a. Okay, and we don't know what ln of a is, but we don't know what a is, but we'll figure it out here in a second. Now, ln of e. ln of e is technically log base e of e, and that is 1. I know e to the 1st power is ultimately e. I'm just using my power. I'm rewriting this log as a power expression, right? An exponential expression, and I know e to the 1st power is truly e. So whenever you see ln of e, I know I can just evaluate that to 1. I'm left with ln x to the 6th power equals ln of a. Now, if we have ln, right, we've whittled this down to ln of something equals ln of something, and we can ultimately drop those ln's and just have, x to the 6th equals a, which is ultimately what we were trying to evaluate that original expression to. But you can really just make it easier on yourselves. And when you have e to the ln of something, right? In this case, it's ln to the x to the 6th power, e to the ln of x to the 6th power. Ultimately, that was our a. So just remember this rule. It's sort of a special rule when you're dealing with the value of e, and then also when we're involving the natural log as well. Thank you. So ultimately, yes, our answer is going to be x to the 6th power.